Hey, so if you already booked a hotel on Booking.com and now you need to edit your reservation, yeah, it's actually pretty simple in most cases. In this guide, I'll show you how to edit a booking on Booking.com step by step in 2026. First, open Booking.com and sign into your account. Now open the My Bookings or Reservations section. Choose the booking you want to edit. Look for the option like Modify, Edit, or Change Reservation. Now you can change check-in dates, check-out dates, guest details, or room type if the hotel allows it. If the changes affect price, Booking.com will show you the updated total before confirming. Once everything looks good, confirm the updated booking. You'll receive a new confirmation email with updated booking details. If you can't edit online, contact the hotel or Booking.com support for help. And yeah, that's it. That's how you edit a booking on Booking.com safely and correctly.